commodity champions. I'm Manisha Gupta and we're reporting right here from Bengaluru. That is where Akshaya Trititya actually took form in the southern part of India. This is where you see maximum gold buying as well. This has been an interesting year because we've seen gold prices at all-time highs. It has been a volatile year, and the first quarter, as per the World Gold Council, does tell us that even as the gold prices were on the higher side, while the global markets saw gold demand go up by 3%, in the Indian markets we saw the demand go up by 8%. So there is definitely strong buying continuing here. I have with me Mr. G V Sreedhar of Sree Rama Jewels. Mr. Sreedhar, hi, thank you so much for joining us, and we clearly are looking at a crowd behind you here. So even as the prices have been higher, the numbers continue to be strong.
Yes, I can say this is very good sentiment despite of gold prices being so high. Customer is very, very confident. They are not looking at the negative side that the prices have increased. They are only looking at the appreciation has happened, because always India is country where customer buy and enjoy the jewelry. The sentiments are very good. This time I see it is the Akshaya Trititya is going to be rocking because the prices are hiking and customer is very confident. As you rightly said, customers are very, very smart. They are continuously monitoring the entire geo-economical situations, inflations, tensions across, everywhere what's happening. So everybody is confident on gold. They're buying jewelry, and surprisingly this time more than gold coins, jewelry is moving very fast, and which is a very good sentiment. And lightweight jewelry is moving very good. Working woman concept jewelry is doing very good. Diamond jewelry is also doing good. But gold is rocking. I think this is going to be one of the best Akshaya Tritiyas despite of the rates, because the customer has clearly understood that this is the appreciation of the gold is for sure, and they are investing, and it is being proven. I am seeing a rocking Akshaya Tritiya this time.
Oh, well, absolutely. When you look at the international markets as well, almost all fundamentals and factors are pointing towards the fact that the gold prices will go higher from here. I mean, almost all Wall Street banks are betting on 2,500 and 2,700 going forward, not without a correction, of course, but volatile prices. I also want to talk to you about Indian markets. Would you say that the credibility, the transparency, the hallmarking, various measures that have come in for this sector also have been on the positive side?
Yeah, I can definitely say GST is a blessing, I can say. Okay. GST is a blessing. After GST came, the transparency is extremely on the higher side. Adding to that, the hallmarking and the HUAD. Now the customer is very confident. Earlier, even the jeweler used to think what purity they are giving, how to check, how to do. Now the jeweler also is very confident, can send it to hallmarking where all the QC is taken care, quality is taken care, everything is taken care. And the transparency is absolutely amazing. The entire gem and jewelry segment, you can no longer call this as unorganized sector. It is going to be organized sector, thanks to the government policies and the kind of implementations what they are doing. Most of the implementations, of course, there are certain issues as well, I'm not saying, but most of them are very enthusiastic and very transparent, and it is going too good. And it is going to be an organized industry. It is no more an unorganized industry. It is going towards a very good transformation. It's very good. Sentiments are very good. And the entire world is looking at the Indian market today. So everybody wanted to jump into Indian market, which is very good.
You said almost everything seems to be doing quite well. So you have customers here. What is it that people are asking or buying more? Is it gold, plain? Is it nakashi? Is it diamond? Is it lab grown? There are just too many options right now on the platter. So what really seems to be picking up the most within that category?
It's an extremely good question. Earlier, we used to sell commodity. That means this is the weight, this is the cost. Now people are asking for product. They want uniqueness. Every girl wanted to look unique, different. That kind of artistic jewelry, Nakasi jewelry, and contemporary jewelry, lightweight jewelry, thin jewelry, working woman concept, all these, everything is unique. So the concept of designing, the concept of uniqueness, especially South Indian Nakasi jewelry, it is doing very good. And I think South India is the best for Nakasi, and especially, of course, Bangalore is the biggest manufacturing hub. It's doing very good, and the jewelry is very good. This is one of the main moving jewelry is Nakasi antique jewelry.
So clearly the numbers are great, and we're looking at a lot of enthusiasm, as you can see behind me as well. Thank you so much, Mr. Sreedhar, for joining us. Well, that's one view, but let's take you to another one and understand what the market really seems to be selling right now and what perhaps are some challenges that you could be looking at.